Okay, let's go into VS Code and let's actually go over here and let's create a file and try some of the other things we can do with dictionaries. Um, and first of all, you can create an empty one. And then later you can put values in it. You can say E1 sub. Oh, let's do Bobo equals. Let's put a list inside our dictionary. We can put in the list, and then let's print out the dictionary and see what it looks like. Let's just print E1 and let's run this once and see what we get, because this ought to be a fun little thing, because yes, I left out a quote mark and it even underlined it for me and I did not notice. All right, let's try that a second time. And there I have put in a period instead of a comma. And you think you are the only one that makes mistakes? Man, I just make them faster. That's the key. Make them faster and do more of them. Ah, there we go. And it says that our dictionary has Bobo, Tom, and list of ABC. So we can actually go and get stuff out of our list now with just let's see if that's going to print B. Let's try it again and see what we get here. And guess what? We get B. So I went into E1, I pulled out list. List is this piece right here. And then I said, in list, since I've got a list in X, that I can print the middle value, which is the B. So you can put more things inside a list besides just, or inside a dictionary besides just list. In fact, this starts to give us the combination of stuff that we can put into a list. We could put, for instance, in our dictionary, we could put in another dictionary. And I think I want truck to be quoted because it's supposed to be a string. All right, let's try it this way and see what we get. And yes, we get D2 is a dictionary inside a dictionary. So if you want to have a staged lookup where you say, okay, first I'm going to take this key and I'm going to look up what it is. Then I'm going to look inside that dictionary and get the result. So you can build more complex objects out of dictionaries. So you have the option of doing this. You can also put into your dictionary, last one, E1. We'll put in a tuple. So remember, tuples have the round parens. So I think I've gotten some of everything in there. I've got a string mapping to a string, a list mapping, and a name list, a dictionary, and a tuple all in one dictionary. So you have the opportunity of putting in multiple different kinds of things. Now right here on line 8, we printed out the entire dictionary and then we printed out a piece of it. But let's say that we want to delete something from the dictionary. Let's delete E1. I believe that's the way we delete something from a dictionary. Let's find out. A lot of times this is the way you do it, is you actually just go and run stuff and try it. And guess what? I used to have this in the dictionary, but after the delete, that is gone. So you can add stuff, you can start out with an empty dictionary, you can delete stuff from a dictionary. And dictionaries are not limited to just storing a value. You can store all sorts of stuff in dictionaries and look it up.